murder. Right now we show up on the radar. I said Jamaicans are pagan, but they can't bet you anyway. In the world we are the nicest human. So we go to the trench down heroes. That's why all our video.
Okay, Rebel Salute 2018. I'm here with Queen Ifrica. How are you feeling?
I'm afraid of you.
Oh, don't be afraid. I'm
Don't
very.
say stuff about me.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's the first question. I must get the way favorite thing about Tony Rebel.
I think I love the fact that he stays humble regardless. Yeah.
All right. So talk to us about your performance. I must say my friend over there, graphic designer Da Vinci, I'm in awe because it's the first time seeing you perform. Okay. And the same thing happened to me last year when I attended.
Yes.
And there's something, you know, you hear something about it's a conscious artist, yes. But the level of presentation where you put into it, yes. I never expect that. I think it was just going to go up there, you know, oh gosh, yeah. You know, that's all like, you know, oh light and that's it. But the presentation, you include dancers. Like, why is it so important for you to do such a big show?
Because, you know, I am bleeding inside for Jamaica right now. You know what I mean? Like, I'm thinking of different ideas, things that I can use from my platform just to make people feel good. You know what I mean? That's the vibe I'm getting into. There's too much deluge and mayhem, you know? So we just want to bring a free, for this Rebel Salute in particular, we wanted some light energy, some good vibes, you know, just to make people just, I mean, 60-something dead already since the year starting, babes. Bad. It's not even 12 days gone, really, you know, so it's like, I am really concerned. And so, we just want to bring a lightness to the vibe and just a freeness, you know, and that's, I guess, that's what we're trying to do for 2018 and beyond, you know.
I know that you're very outspoken, and but I don't know if I'm that outspoken as it relates to like dancehall music, but right now I actually made a decision that I don't think I can listen to any more dancehall songs as it relates to like that talk about a lot about violence. Because, you know, it's one thing when you listen and be like, okay, but when it actually is very present and you're seeing it happening, I can't listen to a song about the artist attack, I'm going to shoot out somebody head and marrow, because it's coming in the news.
So this is what I'm saying, babes.
Yeah.
The powers that be that benefits from crime in this country will gladly say to you that music has nothing to do with what's happening. And I am here to stand in this spotlight of this very popular youth and say this. Jamaicans use music as their star paper. That's musicians are Jamaican people's star. The music is what teaches Jamaican mass. If you look at it, the way we are socialized today, the way we are today was learned through music. The youths, them swag, the youths, them way of thinking, the youths, them way of eating.
It really influences the culture.
So I am saying, while we're not saying let's all be Christians and wear long gown and walk around with a Bible. We're saying be responsible at least as public figures, like Vybz Kartel. From Vybz Kartel, come me and him at it. Come here and say you're a natural village leader. You have the power to make kids do whatever you say.
A lot of influence.
Have them say something good as well. You know, Alkaline. You have kids falling over you. I'm happy for that. I love that. You're Jamaican. Make them fall over the positiveness inside you as well. Spice, make girl. No girl, no sexy like you. No girl, no act like you. But do some live seminars with young, impressionable mind, black girls in inner cities who really all they know to do is shake them ass out. Like, show them something else. Show them that's not the only thing that they're worth. Nothing is wrong with that. You know what I mean? We're not saying, I would never want Spice to stop being who she is. I would never want Alkaline to stop being who is. I'm just saying, strike a balance in there for the sake of our young people who are drug addicts now, who are alcoholics, who are promiscuous. They don't care about nothing.
True that,
Black young girls don't care where you skin them up, where you fling them down, where you pick them up from. It can't be that that's how we are going to be socialized for the future. I was at an ATL function the other day where they were launching BMW and they were on and on about the future is now. And if we are going to say, endorse that to say the future is now and look at our young people and say if that's what our future is in Jamaica, then I'm happy that you say that as a person that has the influence that you has, that you're going to take the initiative to not support that so much because it really is helping with the deluge.
Yeah,
it is.
It's
There's no way to overlook it.
Yeah, but like, yeah, kill the boy. Then when you go home, now you actually see something where you know
this is
a
the
woman
same
on the verge of giving
description.
birth, like,
Yeah.
you know, pass off. But let's move things to a little lighter note.
Yes.
To have your children on stage. I saw your son up there flinging him shoulder. Who him get it from?
Him get it. Let me see.
Like who have the rhythm?
So my father dances, right?
Yeah.
And his dad dances as well. I just recently started.
Yeah, I say up on stage I do a little
Yes,
whining.
I do a little thing.
I say a little TikTok queen Ifrica.
My son, what I love most about him, he's 5, right?
Yeah.
And he will stand in front of his tablet or his computer for 5 or 6 hours and learn the move until him get it. And it's so fascinating to watch him stand there all day. So to see him up there tonight and him love him some ravers. He says that he's a raver.
Everything he knew,
all the moves that he was not looking up either, he was in it. And so I'm proud of that.
And your daughter?
And my pretty little girl, Tanzania, she's in transition right now.
Okay.
Going through her little 17-year-old
gosh, what kind of mother are you? Are you very protective?
I am an
you allow her to go
old
to the little social, them little party them and
well,
have her independence? Or
she actually kept one the other day and ended up falling out drunk some.
Oh, that's why you throw a word on her on stage. No, me understand. Oh, okay, I get it.
So I'm on her, because I don't want my 17-year-old daughter drinking alcohol. Come on. But there's a society that encourages that. Well, she's young, she's not done with school. Come on. You must drink some tea, man.
You hear that? Drink some water, some sosa water.
Sosa water.
Okay, and talk to us about like the attirances enter the stage.
So
like where you get the Goldilocks, Rapunzel, something there from?
Yeah, as I said, the future is now. Big up yourself, Adam Stewart. So it's my designer from Canada, Kerry. And all I have to do is just call her. And I didn't make, hello darling, come here. I need to big up my makeup artist as well. She's responsible for my glamorous, glitterous. Come girl, a big TV, this is a normal TV. Don't hurry up, Dirty Berry, sorry. No, so this is my makeup artist.
Oh, big up makeup artist, what's your name?
Tell them.
I'm Shendi.
Okay, where people can find you if they want to?
In Kingston.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm on Instagram as Makeup Shendi. One word.
Okay, awesome.
Shendi. So big up yourself, girl, get your plug on. So big up Dirty Berry. You know, I love that youth here because I'm fair. I'm bust test and chin.
Oh God, yeah.
So me I look for my own now.
Yeah. But you want to talk to you about some other things about the H&M.
Anything you want to talk to me about.
Because
yes.
I know, say,
how dare you, H&M? How dare I buy so many nice, you know them like.
But them have them put up, so them have 80% sale off now, you know. So you think it'll go up there?
No, I don't do it. I'm sorry. I mean, I don't like to spread deluge and mayhem. But stop disrespecting the black community now. Give us a break. We buy all your stuff. We make your shit look good. So cut us some slack, ATM. I don't buy nothing more there. ATM or H&M. I don't remember the letter them.
Random question. Would you be willing to do a collaboration with Yannick Curvidiva or Aishana?
Both of them. I'd like to do one with Aishana and her. I want to do one with Alkaline. I want to do one with Movado. I want to do one with
Massacre, Aidonia.
Massacre. I want to do one with the one from Mobile, the man.
Tommy Lee.
Tommy Lee, all of them. I want to get them up for the people, yeah.
All right, so I'm going to sing a little song. I'm going to start it off and I want you to finish it because some people don't really know it. Ready? Earth around red.
10-year-old and look them on a tea bread.
No, I never expect you to know it. I think you never said, no, yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice meeting you, Queen.
I love you, baby.
All right.
It's times like this, I'm missing our heroes. Times like this, I really wish they were around. Shouldn't have to be like this.
Movement, warm to the great improvement. The same old divide and conquer, the new same size, the private sector. Right now we see it on the radar. Mining in the cockpit countries. Since the love say Jamaica so much, then for me go no sign up. We nah, your people tell me. Jamaica people empty. Look how much how we come, tell you who you be. While ever go say you no want here. And we this and we this and we this. No man, and we this and we this. Lie them and tell say Jamaica mash up. And lie them and tell say Jamaica mash up. Then why so much for the place I put up? Why so much for telling her what she did up? Lie them and tell say Jamaica mash up. And lie them and tell say Jamaica mash up. Then why so much for the place I put up? Why so much for telling her what she did up? But you know, kick it out and let it out like the hammer. That's a piece of shit. This is just a show that the future is now. And my pretty nieces. Yeah? So my eyes stop here. Yeah, we feel lighter now. Someone there. Run it.